welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair extension review from the brand Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. They sent me a set of tape pins and I'll be applying that on one of my clients. So I've got them right here. I want to do the whole unboxing with you guys to see what the first impression is. So I will be leaving every detail, what I have right here, grams, length, color, down in the description box. They gave me a discount code of 40% off. So if you guys are looking for hair extensions and you want some discounts, look up my description box. Everything will be written there, the social media and everything. So the website is amazingbeautyhair.com, and they sell all types of extensions, clip-ins, halo, ponytails, tape pins. They also sell micro link hair. So this is what you will get from them. They come in this beautiful packaging here, and they sent me 2 packs because I needed 100 grams for my clients. So when you open the box, the extensions come in this beautiful bag. I saw that there were other things in here. So these are the extensions. Comes in this little baggie like this. And they also include, you guys, which is really nice, a clip, hair clip. These are so handy, these crocodile clips. They also include, these are so handy, clear section, and make sure no flyaways interrupt your installation. You just put that on the hair and it grips the hair. These are very, very handy. They also include some tape if you ever want to, I guess, use the extensions. You get rid of the old and you apply the new tape in there. And they also come with this beautiful card, and it just shows you how to take care of your hair extensions. So let's open them up. This is the extension right here. Pull them out. Wow, these are really nice. I got the rooted ones. I feel like when you play with them like this, you can actually see the darker area. And let's go all the way to the ends. So it looks like the ends are pretty full, which is something I always look in extensions. These are very shiny, you guys. Look at that. The hair feels super smooth. Alright, you guys, so I just want to say that these were kindly sent to me, so thank you so much, Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. So yeah, right now we're going to jump right into the installation. So after analyzing my client's hair, I decided to tone some of the extensions because I wanted to create depth, and I really needed some lowlights in there. So I toned with my favorite shades EQs, and they came out perfectly, super shiny and no shedding. I was really impressed. So I want to throw in some footage here of the process. So to the left, you see my client's hair. This is the before. So as you guys can see, she has super fine hair. Those ends are really light, and she wanted more of a fuller look, not really focusing on length. She didn't tell me that, but we ended up matching her length. So as you can see, the people with very fine hair, it's super important the way you stack them because it's visible, super visible if you make a mistake. Also, I want to point out, you guys, that these little Velcro thingies, patches, are super handy. Those little flyaways can get in the way, and you need to work with super clean sections. So I want to show you guys a close-up of the installation, and I'm really taking fine sections, that way the glue really sticks together. Here I am looking around to see, to make sure that nothing is going to be exposed. I also liked leaving some space on each side of the tape ins in once again so that the glue really sticks together. And if you don't have this tool, I really recommend it. I got it off of Amazon, and it really helps to press those tape ins together for a secure lock. And every section I went 2 fingers apart. I think that's like the best space in between each layer. And you're gonna see right here, I brush my client's hair, and look how it starts blending together, because it could look a little crazy with the colors, but once you brush it, everything will blend in nicely. So again, this is a really another close-up. I also like to pass my comb, the tail of my comb, to stick the little hairs into the tape ins. And also I remove hair that does not want to stick to the tape, because this is again like a barrier, and we don't want any barriers against the tape. So this is a really good tip. Remove all of the hairs that don't want to stick. So I do it again. I just press all the hair in, and then go over and remove the hair that is not sticking in. This way they will really, both tapes will be stuck together and it won't budge. Is super important. And all those flyaways, if it gets caught in one of those tape, it'll hurt. So make sure you remove all of those little flyaways. You really want to work with super clean sections. Here I am showing again a close-up, and these have to be glued, perfectly. If you leave a little gap or something that is not, one side is not sticking to the other, it's going to bother your client so much. So make sure that they're both flush together. I like to warm it up with my fingers a few times, and then I go over with this tool. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I got this off of Amazon, and it got so many good reviews and I loved it. So it's totally a must. So overall, you guys, I really liked working with these extensions. They were really easy to work with. Just make sure that you remove the tapes, that you prepare yourself, because I kind of lost time on gluing every single tape to glue them. So anyways, this is just preparation. So here I am, you guys. This is the end, and it looks a little crazy, I know, but as I said, my client at the end decided not to keep the length at all, and I was trying to convince her, you guys, but she ended up not wanting the long hair because it is a lot of maintenance. So you always have to listen to your client. So we decided to cut it off and tried to match her length. So I just did a little ponytail and chop, and you'll see how different it will look. I know the colors don't seem to blend, but let me tell you, towards the end it looked like her hair. So I'm really happy that I did tone a few of the strands, because otherwise it was going to be too much. And so here I am, just starting to perfect the cut, just checking that each side is the same length. And with hair extensions, you guys, it's not like I guess real hair. If you make a mistake, it's super noticeable. I know a lot of hairstylists don't like to use scissors, they go with razors to cut the hair. But my razor wasn't really working and it wasn't giving me the effect I wanted, so I decided to switch with scissors. And here I really took my time, you guys, to cut all of the unevenness that we see right here, and I really went section by section. So this is the final result. It came out so perfectly and the color blends together perfectly. She was so happy. I mean, what a difference, you guys. And I know the pictures, the colors look a little different, but it's just lighting. So yeah, she was super happy and I was too. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, everything will be in the description box, you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to write me in the comment section below. I will be putting all of Amazing Beauty's hair extensions social media in the description box as well, and also my new Instagram, where I've been will be posting everything hair related. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah.